Have you heard about RoC's new Fill and Treat serum to get rid of them fine lines and wrinkles? Where does it target? It targets the 11s, the forehead lines, crow's feet, laughter lines and the marionette lines. What does it contain? It contains triple hyaluronic acid to plump them wrinkles instantly and give hydration. It contains retinol, which promotes cell turnover and stimulates that collagen elastin to smooth out them wrinkles. And we also have swertiamarin, which is a special ingredient that's clinically proven to be long-lasting effect. It's inspired by the US military. It rebuilds them epidermal layers that we lose with age. So to find out more, tune in and watch the full video. Welcome, I hope you're doing good today. If you've never been here before, my name is Anne-Britt and I'm a holistic and beauty therapist with 30 years experience working in the skincare and beauty industry. So if you would like skincare advice from somebody who is licensed and certified, please make sure to like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into today's video, which is all about this exciting new treatment from RoC Skincare. It is absolutely fabulous. I have been using this for a month and I have plenty to tell you. I'm going to give you a 101, as usual, no fluff on this channel, all about this fabulous Fill and Treat serum. We're going to go more into depth about the ingredients while I do a demo, but first of all, let's address the price and packaging. So the price, I bought the 15ml, and as you can see, it is in the shape of a syringe. Pretty cool, isn't it? So what I'm going to demonstrate how to use it, but this is absolutely amazing, guys. So first of all, price and packaging, as I was saying. So this comes in a 15ml. So the full container, because it's refillable, is $38.99, and you can get it in a 10ml refillable container, and that's $32.99. Now the 15ml refill, which you're going to refill inside here, is $29.99, and the 10ml, if you decide to go down a size, is $26.99 to refill. Use this fabulous innovative serum in the AM and or the PM. Personally, I use it in the PM. So let's get into the demo where I'm going to show you how to use this fabulous serum, what to use with it, one of the regimes, because you know I'm a RoC fan. And without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Fill and Treat demo. Let's get them wrinkles erased. So first of all, obviously wash your hands, clean dry face, and let's start applying. Now the syringe comes out in a lotion. Now we are going to, it's a lotion texture. So we're going to apply on the forehead, the 11s, crow's feet, under the eyes, laughter lines and the marionette lines. Okay, so just to show you close up, that's how it comes out. So you just put a thin line across. Wait a minute, it's a little bit stuck there. So we put a line across, whatever is left over, because I'm not going to do a pump for each time. Let's pump again, under the eyes. The 11s, got enough left over to do it. Laughter lines, and right here, the marionette lines. So this lotion texture does not, and then we're just going to massage it in. It does not sting, it does not cause any redness. It is extremely comfortable, even for the most sensitive skin. So let's just get that in here. And then let's talk about the ingredients while this is drying down, because we're going to apply more retinol products. So in here we have hyaluronic acid times 3, triple hyaluronic acid, to hydrate and plump them lines and wrinkles, and for immediate moisture, plump that skin up. We have retinol, improve skin texture, rapid cell turnover, boost collagen production and minimise their wrinkles, and also good for hyperpigmentation. Then we have our special ingredient, swertiamarin. I will write it on the screen. They always do these tongue twister ingredients. Now that is actually an Indian Ayurvedic plant, and it's a patent 3D approach that works deep within the skin surface to target all the layers. This is scientifically proven, this ingredient, swertiamarin. I will let you know why in a minute. So it's an ingredient inspired by the US military. They used it to treat wounds, and it's also good for treating damaged skin. It penetrates deep into the layers of the skin, so it rebuilds the epidermal layers that we lose with age. Okay, and we also have the amazing shea butter. That was the 3 key ingredients, which is an antioxidant, rapid moisture, good for scarring, protects the skin barrier, has vitamins A, E and F, and it's anti-aging and boosts collagen. Now you know I love shea butter, and probably that's why I love RoC so much, because they put shea butter in everything. So anyway, let's check that. Yeah, that's drying down nice. So next up, now this is a dermatologist recommended regimen, but please make sure you like and subscribe, because you know I'm always up here being creative and doing my different skincare routines, so it's not the only product you can use with this. So we're going to use now the RoC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Serum. So we're going to do 1 pump, and this is a peach light gel texture. So 1, 2, 3. This is more important when you use the cream, but I'm doing, just to make sure you apply it like a pro, and do your 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, or 9 dots. It's just so you're making sure that it's spread right across your face. Wrinkle serum. We have retinol, which I've already said, boosts collagen, minimise wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. We have magnesium, copper and zinc, which is your mineral complex, which boosts collagen synthesis. We have glycerin, which is a great humectant and moisturiser. And we also have ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, boosts collagen and brightens the skin, good for hyperpigmentation. So we're still waiting on this drying a little bit. So the RoC Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, let me tell you about the ingredients in that while this is still drying down. Okay. We have retinol, which I've already said what that does. We have ascorbic acid in this also, which is vitamin C, your antioxidant. That's how much we're going to apply. Boosts collagen, brightens the skin, good for hyperpigmentation. With vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant, soothes the skin, keeps that moisture in, and also protects the skin barrier. We have squalane, which is similar to our own oil, which is very moisturising, protects the skin barrier also. We have shea butter, my favourite, which, as you know, is fantastic for anti-aging. It boosts collagen, it's an important antioxidant, really moisturising, and this is why this is not drying on your skin at all. It's extremely hydrating, especially for a retinol product. And then, really importantly, we also have in here, we have glycerin as well, the moisturiser, humectant, but we also have, oh, picked up the wrong one, the Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. We also have the important ingredient of glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid is fantastic when used properly, because it deeply gets into the skin. You know, the molecule is small, so that is good to, you know, boost the cell turnover, also brightens the skin and good for hyperpigmentation. So let's now apply 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I've got to try and make this spread out to do my neck. Yeah, we managed it. So apply it onto the skin, and that is it. Very simple but very potent. Fantastic anti-aging properties. So now let's get to the review. So here is my review on RoC Derm Correction Fill and Treat Serum. What have been my results? So I am going to say that I am very impressed with this serum. I have been using it, as I said, for 4 weeks, and I expect to keep seeing improvements. And the reason why I definitely know that this works like the bomb is because, unfortunately, I was without my normal RoC retinol cream, and I was using crappy stuff left over in my cabinet. And my God, I was seriously getting worried, because under here especially, it was very dry and more crepey looking. It was bloody awful. And obviously I started using this every night like a crazy woman. It was just because my order came late through the mistake of US mailboxes. Anyway, visibly seeing a difference is in the nasolabial lines, laughter lines, a little bit here, but definitely a drastic improvement under my eyes, and a little bit here, not so much in the forehead, but you know, consistency is key. They do recommend for optimum results to use it twice a day, but personally I use something different in the morning, so I like to keep my retinol etc. for nighttime. But I would definitely say yes, it's a little bit pricey when you get the full container, but I would definitely say it is worth the money. I'm willing to pay that bit extra for something that bloody works. And I don't know if I said, but I am 52 and I have never had fillers, I have never had Botox, I just rely on diligent skincare. So I hope you found this helpful, and until the next skincare video, I'm going to say adios, over and out, and thank you for watching.